Hey everyone, Graham here, Ops Manager with Spexi, answering frequently asked questions from within our community. Really common question we get asked, especially by professional pilots, is why do you work with the minis? Why do you focus on the minis? Why can't I use my Mavic or my larger airframe? I'm going to give you 3 reasons, and you may not like them, but you can't deny that they aren't true. Reason number 1 is global distribution. The amount of these things that are out there in the marketplace and the low barrier to entry if a new pilot wants to buy one to access the network are unmatched, unbeatable globally, but also in North America. Reason number 2 is they are easy to fly and they are quiet, and so they mostly go unnoticed. We're all being imaged every day by airplanes and satellites, but we don't notice, and so we don't care and we don't complain. We're attempting to do something similar with drones. And reason number 3 is that a lot of countries have a lower regulatory burden or regulatory requirement when it comes to micro drones or sub 250 gram drones, which means it's easier to fly in urban environments where we're trying to collect imagery. So for those 3 reasons, that's why we've settled on the minis. We won't be integrating any larger airframes in the foreseeable future. We may integrate some other hardware providers if we find something that matches in terms of user experience and interoperability.